Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a drawstring ponytail look using my drawstring ponytail from Kinkistry. Stay tuned. So in today's video, we are going to be using the Koilistic drawstring ponytail in the 20-inch. I am so excited to try this. This is going to be my first time using a drawstring ponytail from Kinkistry. I have done a drawstring ponytail before, but it was a straight hair ponytail. So this is my first textured hair drawstring ponytail. And even before I take the netting off, I can already tell that this is going to be gorgeous. So let's take the netting off so that we can get into this texture. And this drawstring ponytail is absolutely beautiful. So this is what the ponytail looks like fresh out of the box. I am going to co-wash the ponytail before I use it, just using some conditioner. And then I will be going in with my Hydrolux gel from Kinkistry just to define the curls. So stay tuned. The drawstring ponytail comes with 2 clips in the front and the back, 2 clips on the side, and then the drawstring. So let's get into co-washing. Co-washing, I am just going to take my Kinkistry spray bottle and get it nice and wet. And then I'm going to be applying some conditioner. And just working it through. And then I'll be rinsing it out with some cold water. So we have rinsed the ponytail out, and this is what it looks like wet. Curls are beautiful. So we're going to go in with the Hydrolux gel, let the ponytail dry, and then we'll be ready for the install. We are back. Our ponytail is dry and the curls look amazing. So we are ready for the install. Again, we're going to use the 2 combs in the front and the back, 2 combs on the side, and then the drawstring. So we're going to start by attaching it to our ponytail with the comb in the front and in the back, and secure that. And then go in and secure our combs on the side. And then take our drawstring. Tighten it. to make sure that our ponytail is secure. And then we're just gonna take the drawstring and wrap it around. And tuck it underneath. Then we're gonna take some of the hair to wrap around the drawstring, just to make sure that it is all the way hidden. So just a small piece, and just wrap it around ponytail to secure it. And we're going to secure that with a bobby pin. This cute, simple look created in less than 5 minutes. This ponytail is super cute, and I love the side ponytail. You can do it in the back, you can do a low ponytail, you can do a bun with this ponytail. There are so many styles that you can create, so stay tuned. You definitely know I will be creating more styles using this Koilistics from Kinkistry Drawstring 20-inch ponytail. You guys, I'm so hyped. I'm out of breath because this ponytail is banging. Love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.